guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks so much for watching. Today's video is going to be something completely different from what I usually do on my fashion channel, but I get a lot of requests to do a what I eat in a day, and I did a blog post on it, which I will update and put in the description bar below for you guys a couple months ago, but because I'm someone who like eats a lot during the day. Like I'd rather eat like 11 small meals than like 3 big meals a day. And so I made that blog post and I just wanted to do a video. I also have a fitness video up where I talk all about my like workouts, how much weight I've lost, eating habits and stuff like that. And I'll get requests from time to time to do an updated video, but there really is no purpose because I mean, it's exactly the same. There would be no purpose in filming a video to say the exact same thing. So I'm gonna do what I eat in a day today. I'm gonna take you guys through every single thing that I eat, no matter whether it's a snack or a meal. And yes, I do count calories, but again, you can find all that in the other video. So go ahead and click the subscribe button if you are new here. I would love to have you guys join the YouTube fam. And if you like this kind of like lifestyle, day-to-day vlog style video, make sure to follow my husband and I on our vlog channel. I'll link that right here for you guys. And also don't forget to follow me on Insta because I share a ton of this stuff there like daily as well. So all I've had to eat today is, or actually all I've drank was coffee and water. I have tried to cut down on my caffeine because I noticed like it was really affecting my anxiety. So I drink 1 cup of coffee a day now, and then I'll usually drink like decaf tea in the afternoons, but we'll get all into that. So I am now in the time where like I can eat. My intermittent fasting is like done and I can eat, and I'm gonna make a smoothie. I do make these probably not every day, but I try to. I'll link the smoothie recipe below for you guys. There's a few different variations of it, so I'll share what I actually put in it today because I'm gonna change it up a little bit. Instead of putting green powder, I'm gonna put kale. So it's gonna taste different for sure. Okay, got you guys kind of propped up funny. So I have shared this recipe on my blog before. I have a couple modifications, so I'll again edit that blog post and then put that in the description bar below. But I've been loving doing this lately where I do only 1 scoop of the fruit, 1 of these scoops of these, and then I either do orange juice or pineapple juice. But what I'm gonna do today is, usually I put in the green superfood, I'm gonna put in kale. And I'm a little nervous because I know kale is a little bit more bitter, but it's better than I think, you know, obviously just having a powder. I use the Ninja, I don't know what this blender is, I'll put it in the description bar below, but I like that it comes with like the little individual cups to make smoothies in because I don't have to get the whole blender out in order to make 1 smoothie. I usually do about 1 cup of fruit. I'm gonna go ahead and log this in the My Fitness Pal app. So you can do whatever kind of juice you want. You can do water if you want it to be lower calorie, but I just really like the taste of the orange juice and the pineapple juice. This makes such a difference in my smoothies. It's got omega-3 in it and vitamin D, and since Sam and I really don't eat a ton of fish, it's something we use. So I put a ton of liquid in it today. Usually I can do the little single serve cups and they're way easier, but it's all good. I'm excited to taste this. I'm a little nervous. Okay. All right, very green. I'm not sure if you guys can see that in there. So again, the only difference in what I did today versus what I usually do in the smoothie is I used kale. Tastes exactly the same. Okay, so I'm actually gonna do something a little different today. Usually I make an egg sandwich for lunch because I love it. I do gluten-free bread with 2 eggs and avocado oil. It is so delicious, but today I was just really craving. Yesterday I had a Panera Caesar salad for lunch, a chicken Caesar salad. It was so good. So I told my husband, and he was like, well, I mean, I've kind of wanted Zaxby's. And so I really love Zaxby's salads. So I was like, all right, I'll compromise. I'll go get a Zaxby's. He's been home. Since we both work from home, I do look for any chance to go like leave the house because it just makes me kind of feel a little bit more normal. He's been home for like, I think almost a full year, and they're not gonna even talk about them going back to the office until summer because we live in a hot spot. So I'm gonna head now and go pick up me a salad, him some Zaxby's chicken, and that is gonna be my lunch today. It is so good. Oh, the Zaxby salads are the best and no one can ever tell me otherwise except for Panera. Paneras are really good. All right, I've got my Zaxby's Caesar salad here. The girl asked me what kind of dressing I want, and I like paused because I was like, wait, what kind of dressing do I want? And then I was like, duh, you want Caesar. So I got my Caesar salad dressing. I'm so excited, and I got the grilled chicken on it. I do prefer to take it out of here, this little plastic thing if I can. I'm not going to today. So what I was saying about the Panera salad yesterday, I don't think it was Caesar. It was just like a regular, no, I think it was. It was a chicken Caesar salad. It was so good. And I actually think my mom ended up getting that one. I can't remember which one she got. She added a couple things to it. So we both got them, and they are just so good. Which is what made me crave this one. All right, and there you go. That is gonna be lunch, and then I'll check in with you guys again when I'm making my afternoon snack. Hey guys, okay, so update time. I can only assume that it was adding kale to this smoothie that made me more full for a lot longer, because I have changed nothing about my daily eating habits except for that, and I have been so full all day. And I mean, I did eat obviously a big salad, but usually salads don't fill me up that much. So I'm gonna eat a snack now. It's 5 o'clock, but Sam doesn't like to usually eat dinner till like 6:30, and usually I'm like ravenous by this time, so I usually like to eat at 5:30, but I'm just gonna eat a snack. And I figured I would show you guys all the snacks that I usually like choose from, because again, like I'm kind of a creature of habit, but I do change it up every now and then. I probably should change it up more, but when I like something, I really, really like it. So I'm actually gonna make some decaf green tea. This is something I've been doing in the afternoons for probably since like the 1st of January. I just really like tea, and it has to be decaf or I won't sleep tonight. So some of the snacks that I usually like to eat, I'm not gonna eat these today, but my #1 favorite are the Lara bars. That's actually, I'm gonna eat dates today with peanut butter because I freaking love dates. I thought I was so weird, and I was like, who eats dates? And then I put it on my Instagram stories, and after getting like 30 DMs, I was like, okay, I'm the only person who doesn't eat dates as a snack. Got it. And people have sent me some. I really try to keep it still very healthy because dates are pretty high in calorie. So I do try and keep it relatively low calorie, no like cheese in the middle, no bacon wrapped around it, anything like that. And I eat medjool dates and also the, I think it's just said Nor dates that are pitted, no preference. So these are something I will eat when I'm craving a date, but don't really want to like get them out, cut them open, put peanut butter in them, the whole nine, or just the Lara bars. My favorite are the cherry pie and apple pie. I also eat these organic Mama Chia Squeeze like pouches. These are the Blackberry Bliss, and it literally is just like chia seeds mixed into this like yummy tiny little pouch, and it's 70 calories, really easy. These are good. I usually will sometimes eat these right after a workout. I always try to eat chia seeds. Like I try to put chia seeds in my diet at least once a day because I love the way that they taste, mixed with different things, mixed with fruits, and they're honestly so good for you. The other thing I'll eat as a snack is this Noka superfood smoothie. This is the strawberry pineapple with the plant protein. These are really good for you as well. These are 110 calories. These do have a consistency of applesauce though, so if you, or it's like a thick applesauce. So if you don't like that, you won't like these, and both of these came from Thrive Market. And this does have like the true chia seed like texture, so if you don't like that texture, you're not gonna like this. But I don't know, I might actually, no, I really want strawberry stuff. I would say that since the new year, my eating habits have changed so much. Like I eat 4 million times better than I probably have in my entire life. And I was telling my husband today, like I just am so much happier, my skin is clear, I have more energy, no afternoon fog. So it's really changed my life to eat well. I know it's like a shocker, but it has. Since I do count calories, I'm gonna just put, I'm actually gonna mix some of these. I think I'm gonna do strawberries and blueberries. Okay, I'm gonna just put some blueberries in here. So this is a little measuring cup that I have. It is, this is the 1 cup. Got it, I think, from maybe Target off of our wedding registry. And so as you can see inside, just have some strawberries and blueberries mixed in there. And then I also keep my dates in the fridge because that was a tip someone sent me, and I had them like just in a bag or something the day before, and after I put them in the fridge I was like, oh, they're way better. All right, got my tea steeping here, and I'm going to prep my dates. All right, so these I'm just going to put peanut butter on one side. They're not wanting to open up like my medjool dates. messy, but very good. What, you want your after walk snack, Doug? I took Doug on a walk, which is why I'm wearing this t-shirt. I'm sweating. All right, and this is my afternoon snack. I've got my green tea, strawberries and blueberries, and the dates with peanut butter. Okay, so it's dinner time now. This cardigan is from Walmart. I'll have it linked below, but I make no promises that it will be in stock. I have no control over stock. Okay, I'm going to do my egg sandwich actually for dinner because we have a lot of leftovers, but I don't really want any of them. And I'm not super hungry, so I'm gonna make what I usually would make like as a lunch option. At nighttime, Sam and I really aren't, I'd say we're not that picky about dinner. I just try and always make sure, not the best about it, but I try to make sure I measure out how much food I'm eating so that I can just put it in to the MyFitnessPal app for the calories. So, let me grab, I use just like free range, cage free, organic eggs. I'm gonna do 2 eggs because that usually is a good combo for me. I go between, I told my mom this the other day and she said she agreed. She's exactly the same way. I go between loving eggs and like wanting to eat 100 or hating them and thinking they're the most like disgusting food on the planet and why would anybody ever want to eat them. I don't know why I'm like that, but there's no in between for me. I actually prefer the other one. I can't think of it. It's like the whole grain bread, I think, but it's the Sam's Choice. As long as it's the Sam's Choice gluten-free, this is one of the best gluten-free breads I've ever tried. And I've tried a lot. So I am gluten-free or gluten-friendly. There's some things that don't upset my stomach at all. I don't know, I feel like the older I get though, the more that list gets shorter and shorter, and I am gonna have to be probably fully gluten-free. A little TikTok hack I learned, might be the only person who didn't know this, but when you wrap up bread, you take this little part and fold it back. That way your bread, it just like doesn't take up near as much room in your cabinet. This is the EVOO that I love to use from Thrive Market. Then I put a tiny bit of the Trader Joe's Everything But the Bagel seasoning in here. I just realized I am almost out of this. This and eggs, probably the smallest dinner I'm gonna eat this week. And of course it's the day I choose to film this video. Hey guys, okay, so I completely forgot to close out last night's video. I was just starting to get really hungry by the time I finished up that egg sandwich, so I just went and ate it and completely forgot. Like I said in the intro, I'm gonna link in the description bar below the full blog post to like everything I eat in the day. So I did make sure that in this video I touched on the snacks that I like to eat the most and then the food that I eat the most, because I feel like I eat so much throughout the day that it's hard to like share every single thing, which is why I really haven't done this video before. So just check out everything in the description bar below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you more than you know, and I hope that I see you in my next video.